Good morning, students. Now I'm saying about the factors affecting rate of reaction. The rate of reaction means with respect to time or velocity of the reaction. So some of the factors influence the rate of the reaction. Here, so first one, concentration of the reactant, nature of reactant, surface area of reactant, temperature, and catalyst. So now discuss one by one. Concentration of the reactant. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactant. Square bracket indicates concentration of reactant. N indicate order of the reaction. Here, for example, R is the reactant, converts to P is the product. N is the order of the reaction. Here, maybe order is maybe integer or fraction. For example, ammonia, formation of ammonia. 1 mole of nitrogen will react with 3 moles of hydrogen to form 3 moles of ammonia. The order of the reaction does not depends on the stoichiometric coefficient. Example, in this reaction 1 and 3 are the stoichiometric coefficient. In this reaction, order of the reaction does not depend upon the stoichiometric coefficient. That means here order is not 4, not 3, not 1. So the order of the reaction, it's finally or it only defined or find out by experimental values. Example, A, A while reacting with B, 2 moles of A moles of reactant A, B moles of B reacting with C. This reaction, the rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of B and concentration of the B. Here P and Q are the order of the reaction. That values are find out by experimental. Or now in this reaction, order of the reaction with respect to A, P. In the order of the reaction with respect to B reactant, the order is Q. Overall order of the reaction is P plus Q. Second factor is nature of the reactant. Rate of reaction, nature of the reactant means where one case is phase of the reactant. The phase means it may be the reactants are gas or liquid or solids. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to the gas, then liquid, and then solid. That means the reactants phase is gas, then the reaction is very fast. Other and the the phase reactant phase is solid, then the rate of reaction is very slow. And second factor, the nature of the reactant, medium. Reactant medium is homogeneous medium, that the rate of reaction is very fast. The velocity of the reaction is very fast. Then the heterogeneous medium. Next, chemical nature. That means reactant chemical nature. With more stable reactant while reacting, then the rate of reaction is very slow. That means rate of reaction is inversely proportional to rate of chemical stability of reactant. More stable, rate of reaction is very slow. Less stable, rate of reaction is very fast. Third factor influencing rate of reaction, that is surface of the reactant. Surface area. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to surface area of the reactant. If bigger surface area, then the rate of reaction is very high. The smaller surface area, the rate of reaction is very small. It's low speed. Catalyst. Next factor is catalyst. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to catalyst using the next factor, catalyst. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to the catalyst. That means we know that by using catalyst in the reaction, rate of reaction is very high. That means we know that Arrhenius theory, K equal to A into e power minus E A by RT. Here A equal to activation energy, A is the free coefficient, R is the real gas constant, T is the temperature. Rate of reaction increases, activation energy decreases. If activation energy decreases, the negative exponential of the negative EA by RT, where EA values decreases, the entire exponential values increases. With a rate constant is increases. So final rate of reaction also increases. The graph indicate the graph is plotted on x-axis time and y-axis energy. This curve indicate without catalyst. This curve indicate with catalyst. This is the reactant energy stage. This is the product energy. While the time is increases, the reactant energy is increases. It's the stage is activation energy. The stage is activation energy. This is without energy. Activation energy means yeah, this is reactant energy ER. Here this is the product energy EP. And now the activation energy without catalyst. This is from the activation complex to from this level to this level is activation energy without catalyst. Here, by using catalyst, activation energy decreases. Uh, that means here EAR active without with catalyst. Clearly explain clearly give that activation energy decreases. You know that Arrhenius theory create rate constant equal to A into E power minus EA by RT. Your activation energy decreases and rate constant increases. Rate constant increases. Rate of reaction also increases. The last factor is temperature. In generally, temperature increases any reaction, rate of reaction is increases. Rate of reaction is increases. That's why rate of reaction or velocity of reaction with respect to time directly proportional to temperature.